worrying doesn't take away from tomorrow's problems, because it's one of those things that sounds really cringe, but they are really important, because the things that are cringe in lives and is often the thing that is repeated the most often, that we hear the most often. But those same things, the reason they are repeated so often is because they are important. So this is one of those things. Thinking about the problem doesn't solve the problem. Worrying about the problem doesn't solve the problem. Planning about solving the problem doesn't solve the problem. And I can just go on forever like that, because, worrying about it doesn't help. You know, I've learned this myself way too many times, way too many times. And way too many times is also almost embarrassing. And it's just this thing that's evolutionary integrated into our heads, because we don't want to die. Of course we don't want to die. And I'll just take this light away. We don't want to die, and of course we think that thinking about it will help. Of course, like it will make you prepared in a way. But if you cannot change it, that's the thing. Like, the thing is, like, the only way to change it is to actually take action on like changing the problem. And if you're worrying about it and thinking about it, and you can't really do anything about it, like, you can't do anything about it, it doesn't get you anywhere. It just, quite frankly, makes it worse than it now like already was. And I love this framework for worrying or complaining about stuff. So this goes for both of them. So the first one, like, whenever you're worrying about stuff, or you know you want to complain about stuff, I always ask myself these two questions, and they all lead the same way. So first of all, can I do something about it? Like, that's okay. The only question is actually this one question. They can go into two directions, and those two directions feel like they go into two separate ones, but they really just go into the same one. So, can I do something about it? Can I do something about what I'm worrying about, or the thing that I'm complaining about? If the answer is yes, I should stop worrying and I should stop complaining, because then I'll just go ahead and do something about it. If the answer to that question is no, I still don't need to worry about it or complain about it, because I can't do anything about it. So why use my energy, and why use your energy on worrying and complaining? So yeah, just a little gem for you. Um, yeah, that's it. I'll see you later.